Maalala ko lang, may update ba tungkol sa investigasyon na ipinangako ng DSWD tungkol kay VP Sara na sinasabi ng ating VP na tinatanggihan lagi ng DSWD ang kanyang mga request para bigyan ng financial assistance. Kapag raw nanggaling sa OVP, hindi naman pinapagbigyan, kaya't napipilitan rin sila sa OVP na magbigay ng tulong sa mga nangangailangan.
Madam Chair, lalahatin ko na ho. Una, hindi ho pinagsasamantala ng DSWD yung pondo ng DSWD para sa taong bayan ho yan. We agree with that. Number two, as we speak right now, lahat ng tanggapan namin nakabukas. Araw-araw may mga lumalapit at araw-araw ina-assess yan ng ating mga social worker. Pagdating mo doon sa investigation na yon, Madam Chair,
yes,
Madam Chair, and I will report
na magkakaroon ng investigasyon tungkol sa mga request ni VP na lagi na lang tinatanggihan.
Madam Chair, I'll report now. Madam Chair, with me is Assistant Secretary Ulysses Aguilar. He's the one that handles the referrals from the Office of the Vice President. Agad-agad, kinausap niya yung handling officer sa kabila, si Director Norman. If Director Norman, kasi ASEC Yuli will gladly give the text exchange of text messages. Kasi tinanong namin sa kanya ano ba yung issue para alam namin ano yung titignan. In fact, ang sabi niya, wala rin ho siyang alam kasi lahat naman ng referral daw nila, lugod naming tinatanggap. We can furnish you the screenshots, Madam Chair, but we have to ask permission of Director Norman if he will also consent. But the screenshot of their exchange is there kasi tinignan namin, we wanted to know kung alin. That's why ASEC Yuli came into the picture. We asked Director Norman na normally nagre-refer. So we will gladly show you the exchange of messages.
Yes, kung maaari lamang para matapos
Madam
na
Chair.
yung usapin na yan.
Madam
dahil parating inuulit-ulit.
Yeah, Madam Chair, and also if I can also add, we'll also submit to the committee a copy of a plaque that we just received middle part of this year from the OVP saying that we're a valued partner, that we would always help the referrals. Meron din ho kaming parangal ho doon and we'll gladly submit it to the committee as well.
Yes, if we could put that on record, that would put the matter at rest and we can be clarified.
Madam Chair,
on
we will have to seek the permission lang of Director Norman kasi it's a private exchange between the two of them. But on our side, we will gladly furnish you the screenshot, provided that Director Norman will also agree because of data privacy.
Thank you very much, Secretary. We'd be very grateful for the update. In the meantime, if you could be very brief, Congressman Senator Tolentino has just arrived. We're trying to wind down the hearing, having already requested specific documents, including documents required by Senator Francis Tolentino.